In today's video, we are going to cover how to add an employee profile in Gisto. Starting from your Gisto account, go to the left-hand menu and click People. This opens the area where employee and worker records are managed. On the People page, move to the upper right corner and click Add Person to begin creating a new profile. In the Basics section, enter the employee's first name, middle initial if you want to include it, last name, and preferred first name. This section is for the person's basic identity details, so make sure each field matches the information you want reflected in the profile. Next, go to Worker Type and select Employee. After that, choose the employee's country, then enter their personal email address. You can also choose any hiring options you want to use before moving on. Once those selections are in place, click Save and Continue. You will then arrive at the Role section. Here, choose where the employee will work and select their work state. These details help define the job location within the profile. Continue by entering the employee's job title. If a department applies, select it from the list, and if this employee reports to someone, choose the manager as well. When that section is complete, enter the employee's start date. Check that the date is correct before moving forward, since this is one of the details that affects onboarding and payroll timing. Then click Save and Continue. In the Compensation section, select the appropriate employee type, enter the compensation amount, and choose the matching pay period. This should reflect how the employee is paid in your organization, so confirm that the amount and schedule line up before continuing. You will also need to select the employee's employment status and special tax exemption status. If this applies to the employee, specify whether they receive a minister housing allowance. Once those compensation and tax-related details are set, click Save and Continue. On the Finalize page, review the personal information, role details, and compensation details that you entered. If anything needs to be corrected, use Edit to return to that section and make the change. This is the point to confirm that the record is accurate before the profile is created. When everything looks right, click Add Employee and Exit to create the employee profile. If you want to continue directly into onboarding setup, instead, click Save and continue to Next Task. After that, return to the Onboarding tab and check the list to confirm that the newly added employee appears there. That confirms the profile was added and is now available for the next part of the process. Thanks for watching. The employee profile has now been added in Gisto.